Welcome to TitanMind's Meta Ads MCP demo. Today, we'll walk you through how to connect and use the Meta Ads MCP to supercharge your ad campaigns with AI powered insights. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to platform.titanmindhq.com/engage. Click the profile icon in the top right corner, then select Settings from the dropdown. In the settings menu, you'll see options like general settings, channels, messages, directory, AI, and advanced. Click on the AI section and you'll find MCP servers. Under MCP servers, you'll see four options: G Sheets, Postgres, WhatsApp, and Meta Ads. Since we're focusing on Meta Ads MCP, click Configure in the top right corner of the Meta Ads option. Before configuring, ensure you have a Meta business account. If you don't have one, head to business.facebook.com to create it. Next, you'll need to register on Facebook Developers. Don't worry if you're new to this. Check the link in the video description, click Get Started in the top right, and follow the steps to register. Now, return to TitanMind's MCP servers and click Configure on Meta Ads again. You'll be prompted to log in to Facebook. Fill in your details, select a few simple options, and your Meta Ads MCP will be configured. Once configured, click Chat with AI in the top right corner of the header. This opens an intuitive interface where you can prompt the AI to perform tasks like analyzing ad campaign performance or getting optimization tips. For example, type list all my active campaigns and the AI will display them instantly. No need to navigate Meta's complex interface. Or you can ask, show me audience insights for my account. The AI delivers simplified insights that even beginners can understand. You can even ask for tips to improve your Meta Ads results and optimize campaigns based on AI driven recommendations. That's it. With TitanMind's Meta Ads MCP, managing and optimizing your ad campaigns is easier than ever. Try it today at platform.titanmindhq.com/engage. Don't forget to check the description for helpful links.